Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English is My Life. I'm Haley, your English teacher.
And I'm Sam, your student. Hello again, everyone.
Thank you for joining us today. If you're new here, this podcast helps you learn English slowly, clearly, and comfortably.
Yes, very slow, very friendly, and very easy to follow.
Before we start today's lesson, don't forget to follow and subscribe to the show. Your support helps us make more simple English lessons every week.
Yes, please subscribe. We're happy to learn with you.
Today, our topic is weather and clothes. Weather is something we experience every day, and clothes are something we use every day. So these two topics are perfect for beginner English learners.
Yes, every day we look outside and think, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cold?
Exactly. And in English, we usually start weather sentences with it is.
Right, like it is cold or it is hot.
Great. Let me teach you some basic weather words. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, warm, cool, cold.
These are very helpful. I hear these words often in movies.
Yes, and using them will help you understand daily English so much better. Let's practice. I will say a sentence slowly. You repeat after me if you want. It is sunny.
It is sunny.
It is rainy.
It is rainy.
It is cloudy.
It is cloudy.
It is windy.
It is windy.
It is snowy.
It is snowy.
It is hot.
It is hot.
It is cold.
It is cold.
Good job. These simple sentences are the foundation of talking about weather. Now let's talk about clothes. Clothes help us stay comfortable in different weather.
Yes, like wearing a jacket when it's cold.
Exactly. Here are some common clothes words. T-shirt, shirt, jacket, coat, sweater, pants, shorts, skirt, dress, shoes, hat, scarf, gloves, socks.
These are good basic words. Easy to understand.
And we can connect clothes to weather. For example, when it is cold, I wear a coat. When it is hot, I wear a t-shirt. When it is rainy, I wear a raincoat. When it is windy, I wear a hat.
Very true. Weather changes our clothes.
Now let's practice combining weather and clothes. When it is sunny, I wear sunglasses.
When it is sunny, I wear sunglasses.
When it is rainy, I wear a raincoat.
When it is rainy, I wear a raincoat.
When it is cold, I wear a coat.
When it is cold, I wear a coat.
When it is hot, I wear shorts.
When it is hot, I wear shorts.
Good. These sentences are simple but very useful. Sam, how is the weather today?
Today, it is warm and a little cloudy.
And what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a t-shirt and pants.
Nice. If it gets windy, will you wear a jacket?
Yes, for sure. A jacket helps a lot when it's windy.
That's right. And if it becomes sunny later?
Then maybe I will wear a hat. I don't want the sun on my face.
Good idea. Now we learn how to describe weather in more detail. Not just sunny or hot, but longer sentences. For example, it is sunny and warm today. It is rainy and cold this morning. It is cloudy but not cold. It is windy and cool outside.
Oh, these sentences sound a bit longer, but still easy to understand.
Yes, exactly. Beginners can use them too.
Can you give me more examples?
Of course. It is hot and dry. It is cold and wet. It is warm and windy. It is snowy and very cold.
Great examples.
Now let's talk about which clothes you wear in each type of weather. Sunny, t-shirt, sunglasses, hat. Rainy, raincoat, waterproof jacket. Cold, coat, sweater, scarf, gloves. Snowy, thick coat, boots, gloves, hat. Hot, shorts, t-shirt. Windy, jacket, hat.
This is very helpful. Clothes change a lot depending on the weather.
Yes, and describing clothes helps you talk about daily life. Sam, what is the weather like in your city today?
Today, it is hot and sunny, very bright outside.
And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a white t-shirt and black shorts.
Why white?
White feels cool. Dark colors feel hotter.
That's true. Let's combine everything, weather, clothes, and colors. I wear a blue jacket when it is windy.
I wear a blue jacket when it is windy.
I wear a red coat when it is cold.
I wear a red coat when it is cold.
I wear black boots when it is snowy.
I wear black boots when it is snowy.
I wear a white t-shirt on sunny days.
I wear a white t-shirt on sunny days.
We've talked about different weather conditions and different types of clothing, but now let's go deeper. Let's discuss how weather and clothing appear in our daily lives. Real life situations, real life examples, easy to understand English.
Real life makes it easier to understand.
Exactly. So let's start with the morning. Imagine you wake up and look out the window. So, Sam, when you wake up in the morning, what do you look for outside?
I look up at the sky. I look at the sun or the clouds.
Good. A lot of people do that. They look at the sky, they look at the weather. So let's simulate a simple morning routine. I'll say something and you repeat it. Ready?
Ready.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I look outside.
I look outside.
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
Great. Very simple. Now let's try another morning. Imagine a different day. I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I look outside.
I look outside.
It's raining today.
It's raining today.
I'm wearing a raincoat.
I'm wearing a raincoat.
Good. Now let's combine more things. It could be cold, it could be windy, it could be hot. Let's practice longer but still simple sentences. It's cold today. I'm wearing a jacket.
It's cold today. I'm wearing a jacket.
It's windy today. I'm wearing a scarf.
It's windy today. I'm wearing a scarf.
It's hot today. I'm wearing shorts.
It's hot today. I'm wearing shorts.
Great. And remember, when you hear these sentences, repeat them back with us. Repetition helps your brain build memory. The more you hear them, the easier they'll get.
Yes, really. I feel like I remember better when I repeat.
Perfect. Okay, Now let's imagine different situations throughout the day. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Morning can be cool or warm depending on where you live. So let's try some morning examples. In the morning, it is cool. I wear a light jacket.
In the morning, it is cool. I wear a light jacket.
In the morning, it is sunny. I wear sunglasses.
In the morning, it is sunny. I wear sunglasses.
Great! Now, afternoon is often the warmest time of the day. In the afternoon, it is hot. I wear a t-shirt and shorts.
In the afternoon, it is hot. I wear a t-shirt and shorts.
In the afternoon, it is very sunny. I wear a hat.
In the afternoon, it is very sunny. I wear a hat.
Evening can feel cool again. In the evening, it is windy. I wear a sweater.
In the evening, it is windy. I wear a sweater.
In the evening, it is raining. I carry an umbrella.
In the evening, it is raining. I carry an umbrella.
And nighttime is often cold. At night, it is cold. I wear warm clothes.
At night, it is cold. I wear warm clothes.
Now let's connect weather plus activities plus clothes. This helps you speak more naturally. It is hot today. I go for a walk. I wear a t-shirt.
It is hot today. I go for a walk. I wear a t-shirt.
It is raining today. I go to the store. I wear a raincoat.
It is raining today. I go to the store. I wear a raincoat.
It is cold today. I go to school. I wear a jacket.
It is cold today. I go to school. I wear a jacket.
Great. This helps you think in English, not translate. Just imagine the situation and say it.
I feel like I'm talking more naturally already.
That's the goal. Now let's practice real-life conversations about weather and clothes. Real-life conversations, real-life situations, simple words, clear and slow.
Time to role play?
Yes, let's start with a simple conversation between friends. Role play 1. On the street. I'll be person A. You're person B. Hi, Sam. How's the weather today?
Hello. It is sunny today.
Sunny? Nice. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a t-shirt and sunglasses.
You look ready for the sun.
Thank you. What are you wearing?
I am wearing a hat and a light shirt.
Great. Let's go for a walk.
Let's go. Good job. Simple and useful. Role play 2. At school. Let's try another one. Hi, Sam. Wow, you're wearing a jacket today.
Yes, it is cold this morning.
Oh, I see. It is windy too.
Yes, very windy. Do you have a scarf?
No, I don't. I should wear one.
Yes, a scarf is good for wind.
Thanks. You're right. Role play 3. Planning the day. Now let's pretend we are planning the day. Sam, what should we wear today?
I think we should wear warm clothes
Why?
because it is cold and rainy.
Cold and rainy. Maybe a jacket?
Yes, a jacket and shoes.
Good idea. And an umbrella.
Yes, always an umbrella.
Now let's practice weather questions. Repeat after me. How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
It is cloudy.
It is cloudy.
It is windy.
It is windy.
It is snowing.
It is snowing.
It is hot.
It is hot.
It is cold.
It is cold.
Nice. Now clothing questions. What are you wearing?
What are you wearing?
I am wearing a jacket.
I am wearing a jacket.
I am wearing a t-shirt.
I am wearing a t-shirt.
I am wearing shorts.
I am wearing shorts.
I am wearing shoes.
I am wearing shoes.
Very good. Now let's try a more complete conversation. Don't worry, it's still easy. Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, Haley.
How's the weather today?
It is rainy and a little cold.
Rainy and cold. What are you wearing?
I am wearing a jacket and boots.
Good choice. Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have one. What about you?
I have a raincoat. I don't have an umbrella.
That is okay. A raincoat is good.
Yes. Let's go to class.
Let's go.
Excellent. This type of conversation is very common in daily life. Okay, everyone, this is the end of episode 3. Today you learned weather words, clothes words, how to describe what you wear, how to talk about weather in daily life, how to use weather and clothes in real conversations, how to answer common questions, how to role-play real situations.
I hope this helps everyone speak English better.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue learning with us on English is My Life.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.